Today I will show you how you can reduce the lag in your game. Just follow all these steps. First of all, go to Edit, Project Setting, and use the low quality level. Then go to Window, Rendering Lightning Settings. Do not use these two lightning option because it will cost your CPU usage a lot. Next and most important step is GPU instancing. As you can see, the batches here are 96.99. When I use the GPU instancing option, it will reduce from 9000 to 3000, which is good. Next is, if you are using mesh collider, then use the box slider. Next step is reduce the camera for mobile. 400 is good. So see, the stats are now good. And if you are using terrain in your game, then use these settings. Change the pixel error from 5 to 150. Not use shadows. Use the built-in legacy shader. For tree distance, change from 5000 to 500. Billboard start speed 25. Fade length 20. The main thing in terrain is detail resolution per patch. So always use 128. And the final step is occlusion culling.